Hey, Steve here. I'm going to show you this Combi oven. Notice, of course, it takes half sheets. Of course, you can put stuff right on these sheets, and we've got more up here on the top. But it just kind of get stuff in there, close the oven. Power on, set for convection, which we don't have the steam stuff hooked up yet, but we will. And then you set the temperature here, or go up, and then time like that, or go down, go up. It's fun. We'll put it on 15, and then we hit start, and it makes some racket, starts cooking. Of course, you know, when you first get here, you want to heat it up and all that, but you can do that in a few minutes, and it's good to go. And what else? When it's done, it will make a awful timer racket. You'll hear it, and then just stop it and open it up, see what you got, and start again. That's it.